I found the perfect lashes if you have hooded eyes. These are brand new from Kiss, new natural effortless minimal look, and I took the one that says Glowy Skin. I'm telling you, hooded eye girlies, I think we found the perfect lash. These are also half lashes, so they're really gonna help give you that nice wispy elongated look, and the hooded eye is not gonna drown out the lash. Let me show you. I'm just gonna take a little bit of eyeliner and very lightly coat the lash line just so that you don't see the band. Kiss also makes the best lash glue. This one in particular is the best one, but it came with a little guy and this one's almost empty, so I'm gonna go in with this one. The trick with any lash is that when you think you waited long enough, wait longer. You want this glue to be pretty much almost dry. You want this blue glue to almost be invisible, so that's how long you wanna wait. I already have mascara on and curled my lashes, but if you haven't done that, go ahead and curl your lashes and add a coat of mascara. I really think if you have hooded eyes, half lash is the way to go. Is that not so stunning though? Like, look how beautiful that is. It's wispy, and since it's that half lash, it doesn't swallow up the whole eye. Not overpowering, it's not heavy, just the perfect amount of wispiness. It's beautiful. Let me do this eye. You guys, 10 out of 10 recommend. Hooded eye friends, we found the lash for us. Kiss, big fan.